taper on you. To start this taper off, we're going to start with our ball guideline, and then, lever open, one guard, then blend our way back down. And yes, Faith Fam, I know it's been a minute since I done uploaded. I do apologize. I'm gonna go ahead and try to finish the year out strong for y'all. That's why I'm making this video, and I hope to make I'm gonna make some more videos. Finish out this year strong. Because we got Christmas coming up, so yeah, most definitely I'm gonna try to finish out strong. But I need y'all to lock in and go ahead and subscribe for me. You know what I'm saying? And if you're new, go ahead and subscribe for me. If you're just not returning, you go ahead and subscribe for me and click that bell notification, like this video, and comment. Rate the haircut down below 1 through 10. And if you haven't already, go ahead and follow me on social media. My social media is up in the top left corner. You can follow me over there. Go ahead and give boy a follow. I'm trying to go ahead and hit 1,000 on IG. So go ahead and get your boy 1,000 on IG for me. Now we on the back taper. It's pretty much the same steps. It's just, a wider area. So, you can make those guidelines pretty much at a wider frame. So probably about, you could say a finger's width and a half, probably, give or take. Or, probably say like an inch. I worked this taper in pretty much 2 separate areas, kinda, but mainly because of my camera was sitting right in the middle in between me, so I couldn't really directly see, kinda, so I was kind of freeballing on this blend. And now we're moving on to the nape line. Now, when doing the nape line for me, I start at the bottom because that's just, my own personal preference. You can, work around it and figure out, what you like to do or when lining up around the ear. You can either, start on the roundabout and connect it to the straightaway, or start on the straightaway and connect it to the roundabout. Just figure out which way you like to do it, and you'll have a nice, line up around the ear. For my lineup prep, I use alcohol to clean the hair and skin. And then I go in with hose and spray to lock in all the hairs. Now for the lineup, you want to start in the middle and then work your way to each side. But when lining up, make sure you take a step back and view the entire lineup, so therefore it's actually going completely straight across. Now, when lining up the C-cup, you want to use the corner of your trimmer blade so you can create that C motion, just like how I did just now. And just, use that corner of the blade, so therefore you can also have more control of where you're cutting and how you want to, create that C motion for your client or yourself. Yeah, I know I had to throw any enhancements on my boy. But anyway, we went with a 1 guard against the grain, so therefore it would lay completely more flat on his head. And it actually came out, actually pretty good, because he actually recommended it to me. Because he cut his own hair, so he knows what he likes. Yeah. But I ain't gonna lie, he can't cut though. I'll give him his props. But yeah, we went with a 1 guard against the grain. Now, if you liking how this haircut is coming out, like the video down below and subscribe while you at it. Go ahead and get me to 200. We're going in and try to, finish that. At least try to get to where we at. We'll say 165 for the year. 165. I'll say 165. But yeah, we just gonna, go ahead and put the enhancements on them. Y'all, I don't know why bro had his head so high, but I had to bring it on down. But yeah, we had to go ahead and finish the fibers on top. But yeah, if you look, hey, tell me how y'all been in the comments though. It's been a minute. I know it's been a minute since, it's been about almost a month since I done uploaded. I ain't gonna lie. Life been lifing right now for me. I ain't gonna lie to you. So yeah, just be patient with me. I'm gonna bring the videos. I just gotta, give me time. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and, keep bringing y'all videos. But now we're applying our magic to brown pencil. Jesus, y'all, I can't speak. We're applying our brown magic pencil. There you go. But yeah, we're finna go ahead and apply more holding spray, so therefore we can get the enhancement set in along with the magic pencil, and we're gonna line it up one more time to set in that crispy line. Y'all, I was talking to my guy while lining them up. I don't know what made me talk to him. I'm gonna be honest, I never talk while lining up. So for some reason, I was just talking while lining him up. That's what made him laugh, y'all. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you gotta like the video for this angle right here. Ain't no way you skip off this video and you don't like the video. This angle right here, you gotta like the video for this angle right here, dog. And now we're going in for the razor. Now when doing this, you simply just, stretch the skin with your opposite hand and glide the razor against the skin towards the hairline. And like so, crispy line. Okay, I don't know about y'all, but these angles is just hitting right now. Like, even though the light is just mad different, but you gotta admit the angles is hitting right now. Hey fam, this is how my guy walked in, all beat up in pole. He only got one leg in the door right now. We trying to get him, the other one through right now. So without further ado, we're gonna spin him in this chair.